Good morning and welcome to day 23 of the new Gunite pool finish startup. As you can see, the water is looking perfect as we start day 23. Today we're going to be testing for pH and chlorine. We know that the alkalinity is still good, and let's get to it. Okay, like I said, this is day 23. That means it's 5/31/26. So Friday will be day 28 and ready for full operation. Today we're going to test chlorine and pH. So let's get my test water going. What I would normally do is we flush out the small tube and then we fill it with 9 ml. I try to make sure we're just as accurate with the water level as possible, because that affects your readings. And that's right at 9 ml. Now, I've been using the Taylor test kit K2005, and it's been performing very well, very accurate. So I'm going to take 5 drops of R001. I'm always interested to see what happens on a daily basis in the pool now that I can test the water accurately. And 5 drops of R002. And then we're going to invert that to mix it. I just use my thumb rather than cover it over. And we'll see what our value is this morning, and then I'll show you. Okay, now this morning we're a solid 1 to 2. Right, solid 1 to 2. We're going to want to beef that up a little bit. All right. So the chlorine checked in at 1 to 2 parts per million. And we're going to want that somewhere between 2 and 4. So rinse this out. Now, instead of looking it up on the computer, which I will anyway, I will refer to some of my notes that we've already had these levels at to make the changes. That's right on the 44 line to test the pH. For pH, we're going to use 5 drops of R004. And I'm going to just invert this to mix it up. We'll see how the pH is today. The pH today is a solid 7.4. Solid 7.4. I'll rinse that out. Now we're done with the tubes and the tests. Now let's see what ChatGPT Pro is going to recommend for changes today. And I'm going to just say, today, chlorine is 1 to 2 ppm, and pH is 7.4. All right, it says for the pH not to do anything today, so leave it alone. So I'm going to leave the pH alone. It says it's okay. And for chlorine, you want to add 1.25 quarts of liquid chlorine, which is what I thought we would. So let's get ready for that. So we're going to measure out 1.25 quarts of the liquid chlorine. This is the stuff you got to be careful with because it's going to take the color right out of anything it touches. We'll bring this right up to 1.25 quarts. And that's right there. I try not even to touch the liquid chlorine because the smell stays with you for a while. So we're going to add the liquid chlorine in a bucket of pool water. And then we're going to add the liquid chlorine into the pool. Right now we're not going to add any acid today. And that's it. Let's rinse our container out and we'll wrap up day 23. You can still smell a little of that liquid chlorine in there too. The other thing I'm going to have to tackle is it's going to be time for vacuuming. I've had a lot of debris blow in the pool in the last few days. So that's what we're going to be working on later today. Thanks for watching. Day 23 is in the books.